And
आइए बहार को हम बांट लें, आइए बहार को हम बांट लें, जिंदगी के प्यार को हम बांट लें। आइए बहार को हम बांट लें, जिंदगी के प्यार को हम बांट लें। मिलके रोए मिलके मुस्कुराए हम, अपनी जीत हार को हम बांट लें। आइए बहार को हम बांट लें, जिंदगी के प्यार को हम बांट लें।
And to lead us through this journey, we are blessed to have a phenomenal expert with us today who has been a source of deep inspiration and transformation for many people, including myself. Dr. Sween Seni. She's a distinguished clinical psychologist, parenting coach, life skills trainer, career strategist, author, and the founder of the Mind Mentors. Based in Hoshiarpur, Punjab, and serving the community since 1991, she has dedicated her life in empowering teens, young adults, and parents through mental wellness and emotional intelligence. Her work has been recognized on global platforms. She has been honored with many prestigious awards. To name a few, Educational Excellence Award for 3 years in a row by none other than Dr. Kiran Bedi, Chetan Bhagat, and Shashi Tharoor. Also, this Real Superwoman Award, Inspirational Social Icon Award, and many more. She is the author of 2 deeply appreciated books, and her third book on mental health is already in the works. For me personally, she's my guide, my therapist, my mentor, and I had the honor of learning under her through CBT training course, and I continue to grow each day through my internship with her. Her presence is powerful, her vibe is uplifting, and her aura is unforgettable. She is and always will be my super guru. Before she begins with the session, I would like to inform you all that ma'am will be sharing some amazing bonus resources with you all at the end. So don't miss on those. And now with immense gratitude and respect, I invite Dr. Sween Seni ma'am to take over and begin today's transformative session.
Hello, good morning, everyone.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. I will request everyone to please switch on your cameras wherever possible and convenient. Because this is not going to be a lecture or one-way transaction. This is going to be a very interactive program, and we are going to discuss many important aspects of human mind. So are you ready for that? Good. So kindly switch on your cameras. Beautiful, beautiful. No worries, Neetuji, no worries. It's okay. Wherever it is convenient, I know it is the morning hour, and especially for females, they might be mentally and physically occupied at so many places. But I would request if you can just give this 1 hour with focus, without distraction, and with completely full mindfulness, because only then we will be able to go through mental detox. So whenever we talk about human mind, you know, we all are stuck somewhere, either in our past, it happened to me, that happened to me, why he did that, why she did that, or we are worried about future. All the time worrying about what if ye na hua, what if wo ho gaya. So that's why our mind in present is completely stuck in overthinking loop. Even we are thinking what others will think. And sometimes I really wonder कि लोग क्या सोचेंगे, अगर ये भी हम सोचेंगे तो फिर लोग क्या सोचेंगे. So before doing any effort, we think of failure. Before going for any kind of opportunity, we always linger on past. This is not our character. This is not our personality. This is not our personal defect. This is being human. This is our mind structure. This is our mental configuration. This is how our thinking program has been constructed. Why? Because, you know, when our ancestors, they come to this planet, where they used to stay, first time when human race was brought to this planet, where they were staying. Quickly in the chat box, please. Quickly, quickly, quickly. You know, participation is very important in my sessions. Jungle, forest, very good. Yes. In jungle or caves. Yes, Megha ma'am, thank you so much. Thank you, thank you. So when they were all the time surrounded by threats of wild animals or another predators. So human brain was given one kind of department as a security guard to trace for threats around them and then to alert the logical brain how to act, how to react. So that time it was completely fine that we were all the time on hyper vigilant mode. Even when the human was sleeping, if there was any in the environment, mind was immediately signaling to brain, wake up, there may be snake, there may be lion, there may be threat. So now we got civilized, we shifted to villages, we shifted to cities. Now we have upgraded and evolved, we have developed a lot. And now we have cameras, we have locks, we have high walls, villas. But still, that environment changed, our biology is same. And now our mind is picking another new threats, emails in the middle of the night from the office, competition, stress, politics at workplace, politics in the family, surroundings struggles, our kids struggles, our spouse struggles, our conflicts in relationship, and so many other things. There are so many global worries. So that's how today we observe people like this, which you are looking at screen. Okay, everybody is just in deep thought. Everybody is thinking of one or another thing. People are together, but still they are not with each other. Even they are not with themselves. Somebody is thinking of their past. Somebody is feeling homesick. Somebody is worried about job. Somebody is going through breakup. Any person we can't feel who is so stress-free, relaxed, and happy. Medical emergencies, career stress, so many environmental threats, so many global issues, they are continuously bothering each and every mind. Agree? If you all agree with me, please type AG in the chat box. आज तक तो आपने AG किसी और को बोला होगा. आज यहाँ लिखेंगे AG. Very good, very good. Thank you for mentally present, also being physically present. Thank you. So, in this stressful situation, so many people, they can talk about their mental situation about to their loved ones, to their friends, to their colleagues. Even they can express their mood and behaviors, showing anger or crying or expressing other ways. Some are opting unhealthy coping strategies like substance abuse, drugs, smoking, alcohol, porn or some kind of escapism. And few get support and understanding by their environment, they can reach professional help. But others, they are handling independently if they are equipped how to handle all these environmental and situational threats and how to keep myself safe. I hope I am clear to everyone. Language, speed, content.
Yes, ma'am.
All okay? Great, wonderful. So many are struggling in silence. Even they don't understand what's happening to me, why I'm feeling sad, why I feel so aggressive, why my kids are not happy with me, why my parents are always snapping out, why everything we have in family, still we are not happy inside, we are not at peace. So there are so many different mood states, even with one person, within one mind. And we all are stuck in that negative overthinking loop, or thinking and assuming worst case scenarios, or projecting our sadness or anger on someone else, which is not responsible for that mood actually. नहीं, ऐसा ही हो रहा है कि हम सब लोग फिर कभी गिल्ट में आते हैं और कभी फिर हम रिसेंटमेंट में आते हैं, कभी हम एग्रीमेंट में आते हैं, कभी हम कन्फ्लिक्ट में आते हैं. एंड दैट्स हाउ ऐसा लगता है कि इस प्लैनेट पे अब लोग नहीं, ज़ोंबीज चल रहे हैं, ऑल द टाइम लॉस्ट. Negative self-talk, irrational, illogical, automatic negative thoughts, they just keep on creeping all the time. And then whenever anybody goes to their workplace, because they are talking to themselves in their head because of any other issue, and if boss has given any critical feedback or they have given some extra work, we always think, my boss hates me. उसको मेरे से ही कोई प्रॉब्लम है, मेरे ही पीछे पड़े रहते हैं, मुझे ही ज्यादा काम देते हैं. If we are in friends get together, everybody is so involved and happy, and we are just feeling disconnected, or we say something out of box कि सब लोग शॉक्ड हो जाते हैं या हैरान हो जाते हैं, यार इसको क्या हुआ, ऐसी तो कोई बात ही नहीं हुई. और जब हम लोग थके टूटे हारे अपने सारे दिन की प्रॉब्लम्स को झेलते हुए घर पहुंचते हैं, सो क्लटर सारी तरफ फैला होता है. वन ऑर्गेनाइज्ड एंड वन पंक्चुअल पर्सन, he or she start looking at things very differently, because you know this is a fact, psychological fact. Whenever we are not in a good state of mind, whenever we are in stress, whenever we are in pain, whenever we are hurt, whenever we are disappointed, then we can't think rationally, logically, clearly. We start thinking negative about ourselves, about others around us, and about environment. We keep picking all the clutter. We keep picking all the chota pareshaniyan from the environment, forgetting about what is good. This is very natural psychological human state. And then वो रोज के करने वाले काम भी हमें बोझिल लगने लगते हैं, and we think मुझसे ये हैंडल नहीं होगा. और जब हम ये सोच लेते हैं मुझसे ये हैंडल नहीं होगा, मेरा बॉस मुझसे बाइस्ड है, मेरे फ्रेंड्स जो हैं वो मेरी कंफर्ट का ध्यान नहीं रखते, दे माइट बी बिचिंग अबाउट मी, दे हैव प्लान्ड दिस जस्ट टू मेक मी फील इंफीरियर, एंड ब्ला 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 ब्ला. तो ये भी एक साइकोलॉजिकल फैक्ट है. एज वी थिंक, एज वी फील, एज वी बिहेव. जैसा हम सोचते हैं वैसा ही इमोशनल रिस्पॉन्स हमारा बॉडी एक्सपीरियंस करने लगता है, और वही इमोशनल रिस्पॉन्स हमारे बिहेवियर को, एक्शन को इन्फ्लुएंस करता है. आर यू विद मी इन दिस? अगर आपको लगता है यस, तो लिखिए TEA. चाय पीने का टाइम है तो लिखिए चैट बॉक्स में TEA. थॉट, इमोशन, एक्शन. As we think, as we feel, as we behave. Thinking leads to emotion, emotion leads to action. Thinking leads to emotion, and emotion leads to action. And in CBT, we address this T cycle, or thought, emotion, action loop. And it is not with one person, it is with everybody, because this is human psychology. And what is mental illness? When this thinking, feeling, and behavior, it starts creating negative impact on us, on our moods, on our body, on our behavior, even in our thinking patterns, means mood disorders. और जैसे अगर मैं आपको अभी एक सिनेरियो दिखाऊं, ये कोबरा आया आपको डसने, कैसा लगेगा? एकदम से अचानक से अगर आप कोबरा देख लो अपने सामने, तो कैसी वाली फीलिंग आएगी? एकदम से स्ट्रेस, एंजाइटी, फियर आता है, वो एकदम से हमारे को सेंसेशन देता है, एंड वी जस्ट शाउट, वी मे स्क्रीम, वी मे गेट अनकॉन्शियस. वी वर नॉट रेडी फॉर दैट. और अगर एक सडन स्ट्रेसफुल इवेंट हमें इतना इम्पैक्ट करता है, सोचिए अगर वो स्ट्रेस को हम पाल पोस के बड़ा कर रहे हैं, इतने लंबे समय से वी आर जस्ट थिंकिंग इन नेगेटिव सिनेरियोज, or some kind of stress is pouring on us, if some kind of traumatic event or stressful event is continuously in part of my life, maybe it is internal, maybe it is family, maybe it is professional, maybe it is environmental. So धीरे धीरे वो stress accumulate होता रहता है हमारे अंदर, और वो stress hormones, they just create a foggy layer on our intelligent brain. We are not able to think rationally, decide tactfully, mindfully decision नहीं ले पाते, memory, focus, attention सबका बाजा बज जाता है. और फिर behavior, either crying or snapping out, shouting, getting angry, getting like just kicked out, feeling numb. So let me share a story here. बड़ी मजेदार real story है. So there was one criminal in US back in 90s. He did heinous crimes and he was caught by police and he was given death sentence. So there were 4 days left in his punishment when a psychologist, crazy psychologist like me, who was running a newspaper also, he thought क्यों ना उसका इंटरव्यू लिया जाए, उसका माइंडसेट समझा जाए. What happened with him? What made him becoming whatever he is today? कैसे उसने इतने heinous crime किए? Just like वो रंगा बिल्ला का आजकल राख सीरीज आप देख रहे हो अगर, है ना? So they were traumatic persons who were leading to criminal acts. So he was very curious कि मुझे जाके उनसे बात करनी है. So he went to jail, requested jailer to fix an appointment with that hardcore criminal. So jailer was very worried and upset. Sorry, वो तो इतना खतरनाक क्रिमिनल है कि हमारे जो गार्ड्स हैं वो भी उससे 2 सेल दूर रहते हैं. उसको हमने लेयर्ड सेल में डाला हुआ है और उसको खाना भी हम लोग ऐसे दूर से फेंकते हैं. उसको तो इतना एग्रेसिव है, वो इतना वायलेंट है कि वो कुछ भी कर सकता है. सो वी कांट अलाउ एनी इंटरव्यू. सॉरी. फिर उसने पूछा कि ओके सर, अगर मैं आपसे कुछ रिक्वेस्ट करूं तो आप मानेंगे? I really want to do one experiment. उन्होंने बोला ठीक है बताओ. तो कहते हैं आप उसको ये बोल दीजिए कि अब आपको फांसी नहीं होगी. You will not be hanged to death. अब आपको कोबरा से कटवाया जाएगा, कोबरा से डसवाया जाएगा. One cobra will bite you. तो जेलर ने बोला it is not my authority. I can't change his death sentence, dear. It is judgment has already been passed. तो साइकोलॉजिस्ट ने बोला कि आई एम नॉट आस्किंग टू चेंज द जजमेंट, आई एम जस्ट गोइंग टू गिव हिम मिस इन्फॉर्म. उसको गलत इंफॉर्मेशन देनी है, जस्ट देनी है. और फिर आपने 2 दिन लगातार उसका चेंज्ड बिहेवियर पैटर्न भी नोटिस करके मुझे बताना है. इट इज पार्ट ऑफ माई रिसर्च. सो जेलर एग्रीड. इट्स ओके, ये तो हम कर सकते हैं, कोई दिक्कत नहीं अगर कहना ही है. और 2 दिन पहले उसे बताया गया कि अब आपका डेथ सेंटेंस चेंज हो गया है. Now, after 2 days, early in the morning, dark hours, before the sun rises, आपको फांसी नहीं दी जाएगी, आपको कोबरा से डसवाया जाएगा. और फिर उस साइकोलॉजिस्ट ने एक बात और कही कि आप 1 दिन पहले आफ्टरनून में उसको एक कोबरा लाके कहीं से दिखा भी देना, वो श्योर हो जाए कि कल मुझे कोबरा ही काटने वाला है. ओके, सो वो भी हो जाएगा. एंड दे डिड सेम. और जिस दिन से उसको, जिस मोमेंट से उसको ये न्यूज मिली कि मुझे कोबरा डसेगा, द पर्सन वाज कंप्लीटली डिफरेंट. द सेम वायलेंट, एग्रेसिव, डोमिनेटिंग, कंट्रोलिंग, शाउटिंग, alarming personality, he became timid. He was so fearful. He was under so much pressure. He was all the time under stress, roaming here and there in the cell. He was not able to sit and sleep. He even could not eat meals. Though he was demanding so much food, more times than regular meals every day. The guards were very surprised and shocked to see that change. And day before the judgment sentence, they brought a cobra and showed him. देखो तुम्हारा सामान आ गया, कल इससे मुलाकात होगी तुम्हारी सुबह. And then his situation deteriorated, more deteriorated. And next day morning, सुबह सुबह सारी तैयारी के साथ उसकी आंखों पे काली पट्टी बांधी गई. And interestingly, there was no cobra in the cell. They just pricked a pin, safety pin in his skin. उन्होंने उसकी स्किन में, बॉडी में एक पिन चुभोई, and he died on the spot. और ज्यादा इंटरेस्टिंग फैक्ट मैं आपको अगर बताऊं, इट इज ए रियल स्टोरी, रियल एविडेंस, कि जब उसका मेडिकल टेस्ट किया गया, they found poison in his blood. So anybody raise hand who can tell me how it happened and why it happened? Anybody who has not done CBT yet, I would appreciate. Yes, Vishaka ji, please.
The criminal had a belief in the system, and because he was already having, or like he was already going through the pain and the problem of getting a death penalty in 2 days, when he was told that rather he will be, the snake or cobra will be used to kill him, he got more restless, and he had this utter belief that he will be killed by a snake and snake only. And that is why our brain is very strong, and it is strong enough to believe our manifestations, or whatever we think. Like you said, TEA, thought,
Yeah.
emotion, and action. He got that thought. He was emotionalized with that very fact that I'll be killed by a snake. And that also acted upon, because as soon as that pin must have pricked his body, or his soul have already been, transfused with poison, because he believed in it, that I'm killed by a snake.
Very good. Very good. Thank you, Vishaka ma'am. Well said. Yes, instantly got message to his brain with belief. Yes, Dr. G.V. Kumar. And there was somebody else in Pratibha ma'am, shayad. She wrote very right, constantly thinking about cobra bite. Very good. Yes, who is at 1+? Kindly tell your name first. Yes, please. One plus, who has raised hand? Yes, Anagha, very right. Psychologically got toxicated due to his belief. So this is the reality. What happened actually? The psychologist, being smart enough, so what he did, he studied about him before going to jail. And he came to know from his history that he was phobic about reptiles, especially cobras. He has a huge fear and phobia about cobras since childhood, because his parents died in some jungle safari due to cobra bite. So that was his traumatic point. So his trauma triggered when he got this news कि अब उसको भी cobra ही डसेगा. So that is a psychological fact. He was constantly thinking about cobra, its poison, and its tragic death response, which he observed in his childhood, looking at his parents. So that was the traumatic effect and impact on his mind, which created that stress and worry hormone, and poisonous thought brought poisonous hormones in the body. Those hormones, they were mixed in the blood, and blood was detected with a poisonous content. This is the power of thought. With this example, we can understand very clearly how strong and powerful are the thoughts. As we think, as we feel, and then that feeling can bring so many kind of mental stress, mental disorders, and physical disorders. And what is the disorder? What we can understand by disorder? Anybody
Something
wants
not
to
in an
say?
order.
Yeah,
If
especially
you mean
disorder is,
positive,
disorder means when something is not in order as it should be. Okay, so whenever we are not feeling okay, whenever we are in distress, any kind of distress due to any reason, and it is creating dysfunctionality in our routine, personal routine, professional routine, social routine, hobbies, habits, tasks, activities, khana pina, sona, whatever, relationships, then it is called disorder. And we keep noticing sign of mental illness. हमारी भूख नींद सब चेंज हो गई, हमारा मूड बिहेवियर्स चेंज हो गए, हमारे एक्सट्रीम मूड स्विंग्स हैं, हमें पता ही नहीं चलता कब हम खुश हैं, कब हम रो रहे हैं, कब हम बहुत ज्यादा गुस्सा हैं. और फिर कई बार लोग बहुत ही लो ग्रेड मूड्स में चले जाते हैं. कुछ लोग जो हैं वो अजीब अजीब चीजें सोचने, देखने और सुनने भी लगते हैं. कुछ लोग अनहेल्दी कोपिंग मैकेनिज्म लेने लगते हैं जिनको समझ नहीं आता. स्ट्रेस हो रहा है, दोस्त ने सजेस्ट किया, चलो थोड़ा सा पफ लो, देखो कैसे स्ट्रेस धुआं होके उड़ता है. सो एनीवन ट्राइड दैट स्मोक, और उसने उसे थोड़ा रिलीफ दिया, तो वो एक हैबिचुएशन में आ गया. सो रादर देन अटेंडिंग और केटरिंग टू द प्रॉब्लम, वी आर गोइंग इनटू नेगेटिव सॉल्यूशंस. Okay, so whenever we are undergoing any kind of mental distress, any kind of mental distress, either confusion, chaos, due to my own mistakes, due to my own worries, due to environmental impact, due to conflict in the family, reason may be any. But it is a jungle of thoughts mixed. It is boggling my mind and I'm not able to be stable in my responses, behaviors, or activities. And it looks like the room is dark and there is no light anywhere. In CBT, we help people to understand how these negative automatic negative thoughts. सब लोग लिखेंगे ये 3 वर्ड्स अपनी नोटबुक में. मैंने पहले ही इंस्ट्रक्शंस दी थी कि नोटबुक और पेन लेके बैठिएगा, because this is a very important session. Please write down automatic negative thought. And now circle first letter of each word. And tell me, write in the chat box what you can retrieve. Three words and automatic negative thought. Yes. Divya ji, very good. Vishakha, Himanshi, Neetu. Ant. Very good. So what is ant in our environment? It is the most, smallest, tiniest, weakest, and the soberest.
and very insignificant in front of an elephant.
Exactly. So when we look at this prani with naked eye, ये ना के बराबर है, नॉन एग्जिस्टेंट, जैसे आपने बोला. और इसी के ऑपोजिट हमारे यूनिवर्स में सबसे इंपॉर्टेंट, सबसे हैवी, नॉट इंपॉर्टेंट, सॉरी, पावरफुल, हैवी, वेट एंड बिगर इन स्टेचर, इट इज एलिफेंट. और किसी को एलिफेंट एंड एंट की कोई स्टोरी पता है? एनीबडी? जब भी एक एलिफेंट फॉरेस्ट एरिया में चलता है, it can crush thousands of ants under 1 feet. And if you just put thousands of ants on an elephant body, उसको फर्क नहीं पड़ता. उसकी स्किन इतनी हार्ड, थॉर्नी और इतनी टफ है कि उसको इचिंग तक, टिकलिंग तक नहीं होती. बट यही एक स्मॉलेस्ट एंट गलती से, by mistake, if it is stuck in elephant's trunk or ear, very delicate parts of his body, trunk or ear, अगर वहां कोई भी एंट स्टक हो जाती है, वो उसको इतना ईचिंग देती है। अब वो ईचिंग हमारी तरह बीइंग ह्यूमन ऐसे भी नहीं कर सकता, ऐसे भी नहीं कर सकता। तो वो क्या करता है, अपनी ट्रंक को, अपने ईयर को वो स्क्रैच करता है ऑन ट्रीज, ऑन ब्रांचेस, ऑन लीव्स, थॉर्नी प्लांट्स, shrubs, रॉक्स, फ्लोर, ताकि उसकी इचिंग ओवरकम कर सके। और इसी जो एक डेस्पिरेशन में वो अपने आप को इतना हर्ट और ब्लीड कर लेता है, समटाइम्स इट में डाई। और लोग क्या बोलते हैं, हाथी पागल हो गया, या फिर हाथी पागल होके मर गया। Now, if these automatic negative thoughts, they are part of our system, what is the opposite very strong, powerful organ of our body against opposite to ants? Anybody can tell me?
The mind.
Yes, very good. Mind. Very good. We can say mind or brain because human brain is such an intelligent machine that it has created such powerful tools, such powerful devices, such powerful mechanism, technologies. Even now, robots and then Chat, GPT, and even now they are clones, human clones. So many thoughts, they come and go. Human mind is just like a sky space. Can you imagine any sky without clouds? Can we? Yes or no?
No.
No, not at all.
Not at all.
Sometimes
Similarly,
it may happen.
yeah, sometimes they are just so much merged in between that we just look at sky, there are no separate clouds. But yes, sky's basic element is cloud. Maybe one cloud or so many other different clouds. Similarly, in human mind, there are so many thoughts. There may be one thought, there may be no thought for a while, but thoughts come and go. But what if one automatic thought, it gets stuck here? And we are just constantly, repeatedly thinking about that cobra bite. And we become restless, furious, desperate, and we are just fighting against or with that thought. And it creates mental distress and results into dysfunctionality. And that's what we call mental disorder or some kind of mental distress. Clear? So in our CBT programs, we don't, training programs, we don't go for theoretical lectures. We are teaching everyone about each and every tool and technique like this only with behavioral experimentation. Let's take another example. Suppose we have Megha Sharma. Megha ji was walking in a market and she was going to bring some gift for Sadhana ji because Sadhana is her childhood friend now living abroad. और अभी मेघा जी को पता चला कि साधना is coming home and we will celebrate birthday together. So she was there in the market to look for a very, very beautiful, expensive gift for her childhood friend, very dear friend. So as she was walking towards a mall, she just looked at one person and she was looking like Sadhana only. Oh, she's already home. She has not informed me. And she's saying, Megha is saying, Sadhana, Sadhana. And Sadhana just crossed her, not even given a damn look. तो मेघा जी आपके दिमाग में क्या आएगा? फर्स्ट ऑटोमेटिक नेगेटिव थॉट, सिंसियरली ऑनेस्टली बताइएगा. ऑटोमेटिकली
She has ignored me. She had listened, but she had ignored me. This is the automatic response.
Yes, that will automatically. You have not created it. You have not planned it कि मुझे मेघा के बारे में, साधना के बारे में ये सोचना है. Okay. So we
Jealousy
have.
also,
Yes,
jealousy
Jyoti.
also compounds.
Sorry.
That what more jealousy maybe that that person is more important for her.
Yeah, because she was here skipping her office, coming to market, bringing one very expensive gift because she was her childhood friend. And now, जैसे ही ये thought आती है, she has ignored me, she has not given a damn to my wave. Immediately that thought, will it bring any change in her mood? Manisha Makwana. Mehak is there? Yes, Mehak.
Yes, ma'am. Like I'm not able to change my name.
It's okay.
Yeah, I would
So
also think that she's
yes, and what will be your emotional condition at that time?
very sad and disappointed.
Yes, yes. You will feel sad and disappointed. Earlier, you were so excited. You just saved your money and you were in that market just as Megha to bring that gift for Sadhana. Ji, Megha ji.
Ma'am, actually, I want to say something apart from the class. Today is my friend's birthday only, and you have given such an example. And
Wow.
yes, ma'am. So I had some confusion that she is actually ignoring me. So now, listening to you, I will wish her after
Oh
the
my God.
class. Yes, yes.
Oh
So
my
thank you
God, I
so much,
can't believe
ma'am.
this. Oh, so
Thank
such
you
a
so
great
much, ma'am.
telepathy. I may pick anyone else. See, this is
Yes,
the power of mind management.
yes, yes. Power of universe. Thank you so much,
Wow,
ma'am. Thank you. Love
great,
you.
great,
Thank you.
wonderful. See, so coming this thought brings a negative emotion. और फिर मेगा सोच सकती हैं, damn, why should I waste my time and money on her when she is not bothering about even looking at me? या तो वो गिफ्ट नहीं लेंगी, वैसे ही वापस ऑफिस चली जाएंगी, या फिर कुछ भी ऐसा ही जो भी सामने आया ठीक है. सपोज उसकी कॉल आती है तो देन आई विल सी मैंने विश करना भी है कि नहीं, जैसे अभी मेगा सोच रही थी. ठीक है. सो बट अगर उनके साथ उनकी कोई और फ्रेंड है या उनकी मम्मा है जो अभी अफेक्टेड नहीं है इस थॉट से, तो वो उनको कहती हैं कि नहीं यार ऐसे नहीं होता, शी मस्ट नॉट हैव सीन यू, शी माइट बी थिंकिंग समथिंग एल्स बिकॉज शी इज न्यू टू द टाउन, अचानक से आई है, शायद कुछ चल ना रहा उसके दिमाग में, एंड शी माइट बी ऑन कॉल. आजकल तो ईयरफोन लगे होते हैं, पता भी नहीं लगता कि कौन अपने आप से बातें कर रहा है या फोन पे बातें कर रहा है ना. सो शी माइट बी ऑन कॉल, उसने देखा ही नहीं तुम्हें. अब ये सेकंड पर्सपेक्टिव आते ही, ऑल्टरनेटिव पर्सपेक्टिव आते ही, क्या कोई इमोशनल चेंज आएगा शोभा जी? शोभा गावडे, सॉरी, आर यू देयर?
Yes, ma'am.
जी. अच्छा, शोभा जी इज देयर, ओके. क्या कोई चेंज आएगा मेघा की इमोशन में, थिंकिंग में?
It's difficult to get changed in short period of time.
Yeah, depends upon the person, depends upon their experience, depends
Yeah,
upon their
yeah.
temperament and other old beliefs. बहुत सारी चीजें जो हैं वो चेंज हो जाती हैं. बट
Yes, ma'am.
थोड़ा सा सोचने के बाद, जैसे अभी हमने बात ही की थी और मेघा जी का दिमाग एकदम शिफ्ट हुआ कि नहीं मैंने सोचा है, ये हो सकता है ये ना हो, तो मैं विश कर दूंगी. So this is very automatical. How we are interpreting the situation based on our past experience. अगर पास्ट में भी कुछ ऐसा हुआ है तब तो डेफिनेटली ये थॉट ऑटोमेटिकली आएगी. और अगर हम खुद कॉन्शियसली काम करके कि नहीं है ऐसे नहीं सोचना, अभी मेरे पास क्या सबूत है कि उसने मुझे इग्नोर किया, क्यों मैं अपना मूड खराब कर रही हूँ, चलो ये सोच के देख लेते हैं कि शायद उसने मुझे देखा नहीं, या शी माइट बी थिंकिंग समथिंग एल्स, और शी माइट बी ऑन कॉल. तो तभी मेघा जी ने फोन निकाला और साधना को कॉल किया. साधना ने कॉल उठाया. ओ व्हाट ए प्लेजेंट सरप्राइज मेघा, आई वाज जस्ट अबाउट टू कॉल यू दैट आई एम ऑलरेडी रीच्ड बिकॉज मॉम वाज नॉट कीपिंग वेल, तो मैंने अपनी फ्लाइट प्रीपोन करा ली. तुम कहाँ हो, ऑफिस में हो? तो मेघा कहती नहीं, आई एम इन द मार्केट, आई हैव जस्ट सीन यू इन द मार्केट. ओ रियली, मैं तो मेडिसिन लेने आई थी मम्मा के लिए. कहाँ है तू, मुझे बता, मुझे मिलना है, मैं तो बहुत परेशान हूँ. Immediately they just rushed to one common place, cafe, and they hugged each other tightly. And just Sadhana was crying. ये पता है मैं तो कुछ और प्लान करके आने वाली थी, पर अब मम्मा ठीक नहीं है, मुझे टेंशन हो रही है। फिर आप उसे समझाते हो, आप दोनों कॉफी पीते हो, फिर कल के बर्थडे की प्लानिंग करते हो. So see how outcome changed. Otherwise, with the previous thought process and interpretation, the situation may be different. So let's take very recent, very disturbing one kind of event happened with our young students: cancellation of NEET exam. As this news spread, there were lakhs and lakhs of aspirants who appeared in NEET exam. They got their results, and then it came out that the exam will be conducted again. Lakhs of people going through same situation, same sequence of event, same kind of news. But each and every individual was going through different kind of thought process. कुछ लोगों को ये खुशी हुई होगी, ओ माय गॉड, इस बार मेरे से जो गलतियां हुई मुझे पता लगा, अब जो टाइम मिला, आई विल इम्प्रूव ऑन माई सेल्फ, आई विल वर्क ऑन दोज एरर्स एंड आई विल परफॉर्म बेटर देन बिफोर. बट मैक्सिमम वेंट थ्रू टेंशन. ओ माय गॉड, इतनी मुश्किल से ये मुसीबत सिर से उतरी थी, फिर से पढ़ना पड़ेगा. और कुछ लोग तो इसे बियर ही नहीं कर पाए. दे जस्ट लॉस्ट देयर लाइव्स only basis of their interpretation, how they interpret, perceive that threat, that negative news, that unpredictable situation. Unpredictable matlab it was not already in plan. So it means our sense of interpretation based on our temperament and personality. That we understand in CBT program, how temperament and personality, they are different. On the basis of that, on the basis of our family environment, on the basis of our genetics, on the basis of our nurturing, on the basis of our life experiences, we are developing our core beliefs. And on the basis of that, we interpret situations, and then we think, then we feel, and then we behave. That's why we all are thinking, feeling, and behaving differently. And there is one common channel, that is our inner core beliefs or past experiences. So let's listen to Preeti from Dubai, what she wants to say about her experience about CBT training program.
Hello everyone. Today I'm here to talk about the level 1 CBT program that I completed with Dr. Sween. I've been blessed to learn from several mentors all across the globe, and each one of them is special. However, the most beautiful experiences that I've had with Dr. Sween are so heart-touching. Her programs are not only the content in the programs is amazing. Her unique style of teaching makes it so profound and deep for us. Like the complex concept of subconscious and the conscious mind was explained with real life example of a day security guard and a night security guard. Excuse me, ma'am, for revealing the content little bit, because I'm so excited I can't just stop myself. You know, the way she gives examples, they make the concept so applicable and related that, you know, these are not only at the theory base, we actually are fully equipped to use them in our day-to-day life. So thank you, Dr. Sween, for such an amazing program, for being you, the most amazing you. Yes, my request to everyone is, whenever you want to understand the thought, feelings, and the behavior, please learn the CBT. It is one of the easiest tools given by Dr. Sween to not only empower us but also enhance our life, ourselves. Thank you. Thank you.
So, you know, whatever we understood from today's discussion, it is very important to understand that human brain, it is such an awesome machine. It is such an awesome instrument. Our mind is such a powerful machine which can do wonders. But if we are not able to understand it, if we are not able to understand its patterns as per our own experiences and life threats, we are going to just lose our power, and we are going to create another kind of chaos inside us. So till here, any question, or should we proceed further? If anybody wants to ask anything, please feel free. Anybody wants to share any experience? Do we have anyone who has already done CBT?
Yes, ma'am, I am there. Raj.
Oh, hi, ma'am.
Yeah, hi. Good morning, good morning, good morning, everyone. Yeah. मैंने स्वीन मैम के साथ 1 month CBT कोर्स किया है. आई एम राज नाहर. आई एम फ्रॉम रायपुर एंड आई एम बेसिकली a parenting coach, very much involved in community service. और बहुत सारा कुछ कुछ करती रहती हूँ, लेकिन ऐसा सोचा कि क्यों ना कुछ ऐसा किया जाए कि हम अपने इमोशंस को और बेटर तरीके से अंडरस्टैंड कर सकें. सो आई जॉइंड स्वीन मैम्स 1 month CBT कोर्स and it's really a very enriching experience. स्वीन मैम का जो बताने का तरीका है, मुझे लगता है वो ऐसा है कि कहीं हमें ऐसा लगता ही नहीं कि कुछ हम थ्योरी पढ़ रहे हैं. इट्स ऑल वेरी प्रैक्टिकल, बेस्ड ऑन हर एक्सपीरियंसेस, बेस्ड ऑन हर केस स्टडीज. जब वो बात करते हैं तो हम बहुत इजीली कनेक्ट कर पाते हैं. जस्ट नाउ शी हैज शेयर्ड वन एग्जांपल ऑफ फ्रेंड्स. अभी जो उन्होंने शेयर किया, और उसके साथ आई थिंक वन ऑफ आवर पार्टिसिपेंट्स शी हैज कनेक्टेड वेरी वेल कि शी वाज थिंकिंग ऑन द सेम लाइन. तो ऐसा बहुत बार होता है हम सबके साथ कि लाइफ में हम कहीं ना कहीं कुछ चीजों से, छोटी छोटी बातें होती है, शायद उतना ज्यादा इम्पेक्ट भी नहीं क्रिएट करती हमारे ऊपर, लेकिन वो कहीं ना कहीं हमें अफेक्ट करती रहती हैं. तो शायद हमारा सोचने का तरीका कहीं कुछ थोड़ा बदल जाता है, और हम उन स्वीन मैम की बताई हुई सिंपल टेक्निक्स को, सिंपल बातों को जब अप्लाई करने लगते हैं अपनी लाइफ में, तो बहुत कुछ चेंज हो जाता है. स्वीन मैम, आपको सच कहूं कि मैं अपनी लाइफ में ही नहीं, अब मेरे फ्रेंड्स भी जब मुझसे बात करते हैं ना, तो मैं उन्हें उसी तरह से बताती हूँ कि ये बात ऐसी भी हो सकती है, सी द अदर साइड ऑफ द. तो
थैंक यू सो मच राज मैम.
हेल्पफुल.
हमारा ये जो मोटिव है CBT प्रोग्राम को एज एन अवेयरनेस प्रोग्राम स्प्रेड करने का, and to offer this training program to other people, it is just to create a strong fraternity. Because youngsters and adults and even elders who are now left alone in the families, बच्चे बाहर चले गए, फैमिली सेटल हो गई, सो ये जो एम्प्टीनेस सिंड्रोम है, यंगस्टर्स के अलग इश्यूज चल रहे हैं, वर्किंग लोगों के अलग चल रहे हैं, रिलेशनशिप का एक अलग ही सिनेरियो चल रहा है, सोशल मीडिया का इंफॉर्मेशन ओवरलोड की वजह से बहुत सारे और परेशानियां आ रही हैं. फॉर दैट we really want to create a huge force, क्योंकि बहुत सारे लोगों की जरूरत है. और अगर आप प्रोफेशनल नहीं भी हैं, कम से कम सेल्फ मैनेजमेंट सीख सकते हैं, और अदरवाइज यू कैन जस्ट वर्क एज ए फर्स्ट एड मेंटल वेलनेस एम्बेसडर. इतना प्रेपरेशन हम एक रॉ पर्सन का भी इस प्रोग्राम में कर देते हैं. So thank you for choosing us, Raj ma'am. Thank you so much for sharing your experience.
Yes.
It's always pleasure to hear you. Thank you. Yes, Mehak.
You just said that looking at the positive things that people have to say, is that not living in delusion? Like we keep giving people a chance and looking at the situation in a completely different way, but it might not be that way.
Yeah, see, today, a very good question, Mehak. Thank you. Himanshi, we will take your input later.
Yes, ma'am.
So, whenever some person has a failed test, मान लीजिए किसी ने टेस्ट फेल किया, या जैसे अभी आपकी तो सिचुएशन हमने अभी डिस्कस भी की, नीट एग्जाम जो कैंसिल हुआ, सो वो एक रियल एविडेंस है, उसका स्ट्रेस होना बिल्कुल सही है. बट इफ सिचुएशन इज नॉट इन माय कंट्रोल, नाउ पीपल आर सो मच फाइटिंग फॉर दिस, बट नथिंग इज चेंज्ड. सो नाउ इफ आई हैव ए गोल दैट आई हैव टू अपीयर इन नीट एग्जाम, what should I do now? If it is my internal belief, oh my God, I will not be able to do better than before. This time I am going to crash it, and I'm not in a state of mind to study. I can't. If regularly I am thinking this with this internal belief, definitely I am going to land into depression or anxiety. And my performance is definitely going to hamper. Now situation was same, event is there, unpredictability, uncertainty is there, and गुस्सा भी है, तकलीफ भी है. But Mehak has consciously worked on her mindset. Okay, अब ये situation आ ही गई है. What is in my control? That I need to fix my mind. I don't want to think negative. I have to focus on my studies. I can do because I am smart. I am logical. I am understanding. हमने सब पढ़ा है. थोड़ा थोड़ा हिम्मत से कॉन्फिडेंस से करेंगे. अब करना ही है तो करेंगे. नेगेटिव थॉट को नहीं आने देंगे. आएगी तो उसे इग्नोर करेंगे, अवॉइड करेंगे. फोकस सारा किस में लगाएंगे कि आई कैन डू बेटर, आई कैन डू बेटर. अगर आप अब ये सोचोगे तो आपका सारा स्टेट ऑफ माइंड, हार्मोनल स्ट्रक्चर सब चेंज होगा. एंड देन यू विल बी investing your energy on outcome rather than worrying and complaining about the situation. Situation has not changed. We are not invalidating your pain. We are not invalidating this blunder. We are not invalidating what injustice has been done to youngsters. But when it is not in our control, we can't help it. Then what we can do? We can just change the frequency of our thoughts. Let's take another example, bacha. You are going on a long drive with parents and you are sitting with dad on the front seat, and you know, whenever we are going with our kids, they don't allow us to play our own old songs. So you said, okay, Dad, I'm not going to listen this, change the channel. So आप FM change करते हो, कहीं पे रीजनल न्यूज आ रही हैं, आप नहीं सुनना चाहते तो आप उसे सुनोगे नहीं. फिर से आप फ्रीक्वेंसी चेंज करोगे, एफएम चैनल चेंज करोगे, वहां पे फिर से कोई रीजनल म्यूजिक आ रहा है, वो भी नहीं आप सुनोगे. फिर आप चेंज करते हो. यू कीप ऑन चेंजिंग द चैनल्स until and unless you get what you want. करते हैं कि नहीं? अगर वहां नहीं आ रहा ना तो हम उसे बंद करके अपना ब्लूटूथ से अपने फोन से अपनी मनपसंद की प्लेलिस्ट लगा लेते. सेम सिचुएशन इज हियर बच्चा. वो एफएम पे जो आ रहा है वो एनवायरमेंटल है, दैट इज नॉट इन माय कंट्रोल. मेरे कंट्रोल में क्या है कि मैं उसे सुनूं, उसे लूं या नहीं लूं, बिलीव करूं कि नहीं लूं, अपनी इनटेक करूं कि नहीं. मुझे नहीं सुनना है, आई विल चेंज द फ्रीक्वेंसी. जब तक फ्रीक्वेंसी मेरे इंटरेस्ट और टेस्ट के साथ मैच नहीं करेगी, आई विल कीप ऑन चेंजिंग इट and I invest my time and intention on that. Same we have to do here. Got it? Yeah, thank you.
Thank you.
So this is just like our mental classes, you know. We help youngsters to understand about perception क्या होता है. With this example, कि मान लीजिए एक white sheet है सबके सामने, white paper. I am looking at white paper with naked eye or some clear vision glasses. But Raj ma'am is looking at that paper with blue glasses. Mehak has orange glasses and Himanshi has black glasses. तो क्या पेपर सबको white दिखेगा? जिसके जैसे ग्लासेस का कलर है उसका रिफ्लेक्शन आएगा पेपर के कलर में. और अगर वो बिल्कुल जो देख रहे हैं ओरिजिनली वो बताएंगे तो दे विल सी थ्रू दोज कलर्ड ग्लासेस. और फिर कोई ऑरेंज पेपर बोलेगा, कोई ब्लू, कोई ग्रीन, कोई ब्लैक और ब्राउन. बट उससे क्या पेपर का फैक्ट चेंज हुआ? पेपर इज स्टिल वाइट. दिस इज अबाउट लाइफ. This is about our mental strength. This is about our inner potential. This is about our inner huge original power God has gifted us. We need to look at that with naked eye, without any kind of previous mistake, previous blunder, or current situation. No. If I am thinking I am not worthy, then definitely I will feel bad. And I will behave bad. If I'm feeling I'm worthy, I will feel good about myself, and then I will be more confident to go ahead with my life. Do you agree? Please type yes, yes, yes in the chat box.
Yes, ma'am.
Great. Any question? Yes,
Ma'am,
Himanshi,
I
you wanted to say something. Yeah, sorry. Yes, who has any question?
have, ma'am.
Ji, Shobha ma'am, बोलिए please.
Thinking positive about life is always best option, but it may go wrong about people.
Yes.
That's my query. Sometimes we keep thinking positive about people, and
Mhm.
after many years, we come to know that we were totally wrong, and how
Yeah,
we did such a big mistake to
I know.
identify peoples. How
Yes.
would you manage in that phase?
Hmm. So when people are wrong, when they have not fulfilled your expectation, whatever you were thinking about them, that is a very, very genuine case of disappointment, frustration, anger, and being negative about situation, people, or ourselves. That is
Yes,
very
ma'am.
genuine. है ना? So how we can be positive in that situation? That is your question.
Because if we got hurt at a huge level, especially I'm talking about my conditions, I suddenly come to know that my nearest one is narcissist and whole whatever I did was totally wrong. I never protected my rights. I never protected my dreams. I never did anything for myself. And now I just realized suddenly it was a big shock, and we can't manage our feelings. In fact, I just got blank for many days, many
I
months.
know. I know. Yes. You know, we were talking about threat in the environment around us so that our brain keeps us safe by alarming us. That is a sign of danger. That is a sign of damage. That is a sign of betrayal or abuse or humiliation. So every brain behaves differently. That we will discuss in next session. But giving answer to your question, dear, when people are wrong, whether they misunderstood you or they accused you, they did unfair, they make poor decisions or they behave badly with you, being positive, very clear, being positive doesn't mean pretending their behavior is acceptable. Okay? Or denying your pain. No. It means responding in a way that protects your peace and helps you act wisely. So when people come to us for counseling or therapeutic help, we don't
Ma'am, can you
ask
please
them,
repeat that again?
yeah, whenever people are doing bad to us, we are not denying their behavior or we are not denying your pain. Both are real. But now, what to do? We have two choices. Either we go back and strike our head on them to change them, to let them agree that they did bad to us. Is it easy? Is it possible?
Not at all.
And now what you said, it was your choice to lapse your boundaries, to ignore your self-care, to keep your mental peace on the stack of their happiness. So these were all my choices. And when these are my choices and we are available, any and everybody will take us as a doormat, darling. It is not only about narcissistic people. आजकल ये narcissism इतना common दिखने लगा है. Otherwise, it is a personality disorder, and we should not use this term loosely without any specific diagnostic criterion. But still, yes, because people are so self-centered and manipulative कि हमें लगता है कि वो हैं, और फिर भी हम वो होने देते हैं. So I always say, my life, my choices, my consequences. अब तक जो मैंने किया या होने दिया, it is its result. Now it is right time to take right lesson.
Yeah.
उन्होंने हमारे मेंटल पीस की धज्जियां उड़ाई, अब हम भी यही करेंगे, तो उनमें और हम में फर्क क्या हुआ?
We can't do that, ma'am. And if we did that, we can't stay peacefully.
Yes.
We can't focus on our future.
Yes. So separate the person from the behavior. They are terrible. ये सोच सोच के, या उन्होंने मेरे साथ ये किया, ये सोच सोच के हमें अपना पीस ऑफ माइंड और खराब नहीं करना, हमें वो एक्सेप्ट करना है। नाउ व्हाट आई कैन कंट्रोल, आई कांट कंट्रोल व्हाट दे थिंक, whether they admit their mistake, how quickly they change, do they apologize, do they contribute in my recovery. अगर वो कंट्रोल कर सकते हैं तो करें, नहीं करते तो उसको छोड़ें। I can control now my response, my boundaries, my emotional investment. बिल्कुल उस तरह से मैं आपको एक छोटा सा एग्जांपल देती हूँ कि if we are driving on a road or we met with an accident, you were on two-wheeler and some car hit you. अब आपको बहुत चोट लगी है, स्कूटर भी टूट गया, बॉडी पे भी बहुत चोट लगी है, और कार वाला भाग गया। आपकी फैमिली जब आएगी या आप हैं, पहले आप कार वाले को पकड़ने जाएंगे कि उसे पनिश करना है, या पहले खुद का ट्रीटमेंट देखेंगे?
ट्रीटमेंट लेंगे मैम।
गुस्सा तो है
Self
उस
care.
पे, उसकी गलती
Yes.
है, उसने गलत किया, आप राइट साइड पे थे, उसने रॉन्ग साइड से हिट किया, उसको पकड़ के पनिशमेंट लेसन मिलना चाहिए, दैट इज फैक्ट। बट नाउ at present, first priority is to heal ourselves. Look for the lesson. What this situation is teaching me? What boundary do I need? What skill am I developing? Patience, assertiveness, or I'm just going into negative thinking loop. वो तो हमें हर्ट करके निकल गए, नाउ अब हम खुद को हर्ट कर रहे हैं। It was my choice to seek validation from the wrong source. And now I have to take lesson. I don't need anyone to understand me to know my truth.
Yes.
So respond, darling, don't react. तो जब रिस्पॉन्ड करते हैं, फिर हम पॉज लेते हैं, ब्रीथ करते हैं और पूछते हैं, व्हाट आउटकम डू आई वांट नाउ। फिर हमारा प्रोसेस डिफरेंट हो जाता है। अर्लियर आई वाज थिंकिंग, ये हुआ, ये हुआ, ये किया, ये किया, ये किया, मैं विक्टिम हूं, मैं विक्टिम हूं, मैं विक्टिम हूं। And then we are operating from victim state of mind. And if I am operating from victim state of mind, then I am thinking in that thought. Thought is bringing negative emotions all the time, feeling pain, hurt, betrayal, all the time, pain, pain, stress, overthinking, crying, and feeling ashamed, being resentful with myself only. मैंने ये क्या चुना, मैंने ये क्या किया? Not working on them. It is spoiling my inner environment. Exactly just like a cobra thinking. Now,
Yeah.
अब उनके बारे में कोबरा की तरह सोचना कि he's cobra. उसके बारे में सोचूंगी तो फोबिया बढ़ेगा, और फिर मेरा स्ट्रेस बढ़ेगा, फिर पॉइजनस हार्मोन बनेंगे, फिर वो मेरी बॉडी में जाएंगे, ब्लड में जाएंगे, हेल्थ इश्यूज भी ऐसे ही आ रहे हैं, We will talk about psychosomatic symptoms on third day. How it is going to impact our body if we are not coming out of this negative automatic thinking loop. And thank you for giving this beautiful scenario. I know it's painful, but with CBT case study, we are going to discuss it with every example from tomorrow. So you will get the right path in 2 days.
Okay. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Thank you, Dan. Thank you. Anybody else? Anybody wants to share anything? Anybody wants to ask anything?
Ma'am, I would like to share something. I'm a homeopathic doctor. Sorry, good afternoon, ma'am. I'm a homeopathic doctor. And very interestingly, when you said that most of our things are because of anger, disappointment, betrayal, interestingly, in homeopathy, it is a firm belief that all your symptoms or all your physical problems starts from your mind. So we actually, as homeopaths, we first बोलते हैं ना कि होम्योपैथ के पास जाएं तो सब पूछते रहते हैं, नींद कैसी है, ये कैसी है, वो everybody they stress about this कि बहुत लंबा चलता है, आधा घंटा बैठना पड़ता, because we are trying to find out what exactly is the trigger point, and as you rightly said, it starts from the mind, and that's what we also firmly believe, all homeopaths. So thank you so much. I am very interested to learn this CBT course. Main reason is because I just don't want to treat the patients with homeopathic medicines. I want to give them some tools as well, which they can help, which will help their process of, healing faster. So thank you
Great.
so much, ma'am.
आप कहाँ से हैं डॉक्टर कंचन?
वैसे मैम, I'm from Pune, but right now we are in Pathankot.
Oh, wow. So, you know, Doctor, we have Dr. Megha Kothari in our group, in our tribe.
हाँ जी.
She also did CBT. She's also an homeopath in Mumbai.
Oh,
So
great.
she already was doing amazing work, but with the help of CBT, now so she is completely different. And
Okay.
patients, they are relying on her more better than before.
I am sure. I told you this is the main reason because
I
we
know.
firmly believe in that. So
Yeah.
I'm very interested in this course and looking forward for it, ma'am.
Thank you. Thank you,
Thank
Megha
you,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Thank you. Yes, Himanshi ji, you wanted to say something or ask something? Sorry
No,
for.
ma'am, I just wanted to share my CBT's experience after doing the course.
Oh, wow.
Like after I have done my CBT course with Swin ma'am, and it brought a big change in my life. In fact, I am a special educator, and I have like some kind of things or like my life was not smooth, but now it is very smooth with the help of CBTs and ma'am's techniques and all this thing. It helps me to handle my children in better way, and I have like learned to manage myself, my anger, my snap habit. Like I used to do snap very fast, but now I'm controlling so much. In fact, this change I have noticed my husband, my parents, and my sisters. They also have noticed this change in me. That now I'm very positive and always see my perspective of looking something is always different now.
Wow.
And thank you so much, Swin ma'am. And I got rid of so many my fears also, like darkness, like swimming. And after joining Swin ma'am's course, I have done powerlifting also. I got that confidence that I can do this also.
Wow. Wow.
I have participated in state level and I got first prize over there. And very soon I'm going to take part in swimming competition also.
Beautiful. So as a mother, she could evolve. As a person, she could evolve as an less in confidence, thinking all time negative about herself because she was not able to manage her moods. Everybody was blaming her without understanding her state of mind. So during CBT, she could work on her state of mind, not forcibly thinking positive in negative situation, Shobha ma'am. It was a process. It was a slow work, understanding week by week. And then within 4 weeks, she could overcome so many things which were already creating hurdles in her so many areas of life. So एक चीज बदलने से कितने सारे एंगल रिफाइन और रीडिफाइन हो जाते हैं.
Yes, ma'am. It brings like 360-degree change in my life.
क्या बात है, बहुत बढ़िया.
Thank you so much. Thank you
for
so
sharing.
much.
Thank you. Yes, anybody else raised hand? I could not see actually. Anybody else wants to ask something? चलिए. So मिलते हैं जी कल for day 2. Kindly join 5 minutes early. जब 5 मिनट तक भी लोग आगे भी 11 बजे के बाद ज्वाइन करते रहते हैं तो हम लोगों को वेट करना पड़ता है. But I really feel bad when people who are punctual, if they join in time, I don't want to let them waiting. So please join 5 minutes early ताकि हम पूरे 11 बजे शुरू कर सकें. ठीक है जी? चलिए. Thank you so much. Thank you. See you tomorrow. God bless.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.